Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Saulothechef, and today we are going to make for you a pilipili ya kukaanga. That's in Kiswahili. In English, you might call it hot sauce. In your pilipili ya kukaanga, you need lemon, your red chillies or green chillies. Then you've got your ginger paste and your garlic paste, your onions. You already frying the onions, your dhania, Spanish paprika, turmeric, and garlic powder, and tomato puree. Yeah. After that, your garlic. Put your ginger paste, just a little. Just notice whenever you put your ginger paste, it's beginning to stick. After that, you put your red chilies. You just cook this. It has got that choking flavor, choking smell. I put our Spanish paprika. This will provide that smoky flavor. Turmeric will give it a good flavor, and then you just put our garlic powder. Alright. Add a little bit of more oil from there. Let's put your blended tomato. Right. The salt. Already tasting. Ooh, I feel that flavor. Ooh. Nice one. Please guys, remember, don't add any water. Just tomato paste. This will provide that thick, it will thicken the sauce, and you see, after boiling, it's reducing, and you see right now you are making a paste out of it. So from this point, you're ready to taste your seasoning. Put a little bit of 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will bring that some sweet. This is optional, by the way, but I love mine with a little bit of sugar. It's optional. Then you give it a very good stir. Lemon. Ooh, some lemon. I love it with dhania. Then you give that. So now, tamu Rojo. This is really nice. And here, after 2 to 3 minutes, just take it out, and our sauce will be ready. But this is the consistency that we are looking for. You can see. So don't mind about this. Don't mind about the dhania. Go there. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. The consistency that we are looking for. Sasa hapo umepata pilipili yako kukaanga. Now our sauce is ready. You can see the consistency. Serve it with our sauce. The flavors, the acidity of the lemon, nice one. And this is your pilipili ya kukaanga. You can eat it with biryani, pilau, with a little chili. Yeah, and that is our hot sauce, yani pilipili ya kukaanga. You can eat it with any type of food. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.